Alright, so hey guys, what's up today? And today what we need to do is we are going to complete our project. Well, this whole playlist would be 2 videos long after this video. So I will be adding one more video after this one. Alright. So for now, let's just head down to Sublime Text, my favorite. Okay, what's this? I don't need this. I need my thing. Right. No problem. It's hospital project. Well, is it this? Yeah, it's this. Fine. So now what we need to do is, well, I just tried it out once because something was not coming properly and then I got it that it was my problem in this code itself. So I just need to delete this file. Okay. So well now this is what we need to form. Alright. So I will be removing all these things for you and well we have done this dbconnect.php. If not done, then let me just show you it out once. It's just a kind of code. You just need to take it up and put it. Alright, nothing more than that. Nothing more than that. Alright. So well, if you all suggest, then I will also keep this in comments. Just tell me. Alright. So now let's just head down to our place. Okay. So well, I just need to start my exam once again. So let's start. Only two, Apache and MySQL, right? Okay. It's detecting, running perfectly fine. Super. Okay, so now we need this. Okay, so now let's just start with PHP tags. Aye. Alright. So now what we need to do is remove this, enter up to five lines. I love those things. Alright. So now what we will do is we will just head down to our website. We will just have an brief introduction what we have done till now. We have done this login sign up thing. It's really a very common project of this PHP, and you will find a lot of different designs on this YouTube videos. You can just check out YouTube login sign up page using PHP, and you will get a around millions of videos, right? So okay, so we are now logged in, and we have done these things like we have done this doctor name. I will just put this below. Okay, we will enter one line here, and we have all done all these things, right? So I will just tell you so how we need to add this into our database. Fine. Okay, so for now we have done this thing. Now what you need to do is you need these all things. Patient name, money, blah 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 blah. Alright. So we all need those things. Okay. And I will try to keep this code as short as possible. Okay. Because I have written it, but I have done too many things which were not much needed. Alright. That's why. Okay. So now let's just copy. And hope you have not forgotten how to declare variables in PHP. Dollar underscore what which method we have get. So get and put it down there, colon control V. Okay, copy it till home. Wait a minute, till end, copy, paste. We have only 4 hours. You can just do now for all this, right? So I will copy this age. I will paste it here. I will paste it here. Now I will copy this. I'll paste it here. I did a mistake. Well, I'll paste it here. Control V. Alright. Wait a minute. Okay, fine. Let me just clear this clipboard. Alright. So next is once again we have extra money, right? Copy this. Okay, I have a little bit of bad nose today. I don't know. Maybe it's allergic. Okay, no problem. Happens. Alright. Then we have contact number. Dollar contact number equals dollar underscore get, and paste it once again. Have one semicolon at the end. Okay, and we are not doing anything. We are just taking all these things. We are just taking the variables. Okay, not much than that. Okay, we are not doing anything else. Dollar underscore get. Okay, fine. We have taken all the variables from this place, right? You can just see enter address, enter patient's address. Okay, well, this cap lock was on. Enter patient's address. Fine. Okay, so you just change this for all, enter contact number, then extra money paid, blah 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 blah. You can just do it, alright? What I need to do is I need to guide you to the last end, right? So for now we have done all these things. We have got all the variables down there. Now you need to declare one variable, total money equals what will be the total money that is taken by the patient, taken from the patient. Well, it's this plus this, right? So this we have PHP here, money plus dollar x money. Okay. So well, we have done this thing. Okay, fine. Now let's just refresh this thing once again. Well, let's just fill all these things. Devansh 14. Money paid is 1200, 2400, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. Blah. And it has been checked by me, and let's hit down like let's just see if we have any errors. Okay, to get the errors just press Control Shift and I on your keyboard, and let's see. Okay, well, we don't have any error till now. Fine. So now let's just see if, okay, now we will make a variable dollar result, but well, we all know what's the code now, right? Head down to localhost slash php my admin. It will get a few minutes, get it a few minutes because okay, now it's done. Head down to hospital. Okay, I have made one table here. Let me just drop it for you all. Okay, let me just make patients. Okay, and change this to about 30. It's okay, no problem. And here we know what we're gonna do. Add a first. It's add senior number, right? Then we have name. Then we have address. We have contact number. Okay. Contact number. Then we have money taken. Okay. Then we have FOC and one question mark. In many hospitals, it's done like many patients are taken free of charge if they satisfy a given value. Like if the doctor has told the patient to come before 3 days, right? After among 3 days, right? So at that time, that patient is taken free of charge. That's why I have kept this. If it's not there, then it's okay if you don't. But well, you will learn something new here. Okay, you have here doctor name. Okay, what else? We will add. Okay, if something is needed. Change all this to text. Contact number is integer. Fine. Money taken should be integer. Superb. Free of charge is a text, and doctor name is a text. Okay, well, I don't need all this, but we will just skip it right now for that. Okay, and what we need to do something else we don't need. Just head down and click on save, and it has given you a new table or a new database along with this. Okay, so well, let's just head down to this place, and where's money? Contract number, blah blah blah. Okay, here we have money, right? Just put one more above this because we have made one FOC, right? So let me just head down and make here FOC. Okay, well, we just need to remove this required, and input type is a checkbox, all right, and name equals FOC. Placeholder should nothing be there, and in FOC you just need to type here like this. Okay, and refresh. Let's just head down back once again, refresh this page, and you get one stupid like thing, right? All right, no problem. Let's just head down to font. Okay, so for now what we will do is we will change this to FOC so that it remains differentiated from the other ones. Font. I don't know what is the exact word because here all the things are allowed. Okay, so font size should be around 4. Perfect. Then color should be black. Okay, but we don't need this color. And face. Okay, these are all attributes of this HTML, right? LGD. So let's just see. Let me just show how is it looking. So it's saying, is it FOC? Okay. Now what we need to do is we need to take this FOC to this place below money paid. All right. Paste. Okay. So it looks nice. At least it looks nice. At least to see, right? Let's just refresh and it looks nice. Okay. Super. Now let's see. Okay. What do some people do is they copy these things, right? So I think that changing this to disabled, disabled. I think that this will happen. I'm not sure. Well, let's just refresh and okay, I don't know. But I want you all to try how to disable a given one. Like how to disable this asterisk. And so that it cannot be selected. I want you all to try for this one. Okay. And just tell me in the comments. I would also love it if you have done this. Okay. I want you all to try. Okay. So well what we need is we need this copy once again. And make one comment down here and keep here like this. $FOC is needed. Okay. So we will make one case for $FOC. Alright. Head down to this place now once again and click on browse and we need to select asterisk from. You all know this how you are doing, right? Just do the things you know now. $SQL equals what's this? Well, it was start menu where name, okay, name equals, head down to put one semicolon once here, dollar patient name. Okay. Now what I want to know, what I want to tell you is, if you are using PHP, then the using of this codes differs. All right. How does it differ? First let's say if you put one small one, right? This small one, single inverted commas, right? Sorry. This one. If you do like this, then the next one will always be this double inverted, and then once again single inverted, once again double inverted, once again single double. You can go like that. Okay. So you just got what I wanted to say. Fine. Okay. So now let's just remove this code, and we need to make one dollar result, right? Dollar result equals MySQLi underscore query $con comma dollar SQL. Fine. Okay, so now let's just head down to if dollar result. If okay is set. What does it set about? This is set is done when we have either checkbox or a button. Remember these things because this is a kind of PHP code which you need to remember. Okay. If it's set $_get $_get, okay, and well what you need to copy is this one, doctor name 1. Okay, if is set is this, if this is set. Okay, well let's just try. I want this thing to be tried. If we have $doctor name 1 equals, I have another way, don't worry. If this thing fails, then I will be doing once again $doctor name 1. Okay, so what I need to do is I need to put one once again $doctor name 2 equals, paste it here, put doctor name 2. Well, I'm just forgetting one thing. Many times I have forgotten. Okay, here once again. Okay, please don't forget about this adding the semicolon. All right, so well let's just head down. Let's put all here Devansh 14 1200 not FOC 2400. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 anda. Then it's blah. Click on this. And what is this thing saying? Unidentified index. This. Okay. I forgot to add one thing. What? Include db underscore connect dot php. This is important. Refresh. And it's saying that it says doctor name 2 is not identified. Well, what's the issue now? Let's just see if we can get in the console. Start saying. Okay. Okay. I think let's just copy this thing once again. Copy and paste it down there. Okay. And comment these two lines. These two. Okay. I want you all to do this way. Well, let's just refresh. Alright, so let's see what is happening. It is selecting only, it is not doing anything else. Right? So let's see. Echo. Okay. Alright. Let's see what is it echoing? Yeah. So everything is fine till now. Superb. I want just clap for yourself. I can't clap for you all sitting from my home. Sorry for that. But well, you all can just clap for yourselves because you have done something superb actually. Okay. So well, what we need to do now? We need to go for um. Okay, let me just head down once again. We need to make code for FOC. Okay, so what we need to do is code for FOC. Next is code for total money, and well, this is done. Okay, so well, we just need to go like that, nothing more. Okay, so we need to code for this too, and for now what we will be doing, we will be doing only for this first doctor, and then we will just copy paste this and change some small minor, we need to change some minor things. Okay, till then. Okay, so I forgot to do one thing here, and I need to add one BF tag. This is for just entering a line, it's an HTML type. Okay, refresh and it came down. Fine, super. So let's just save this thing once again. And I just forgot I'm just forgetting something. Okay, we will see. We will see what am I forgetting. Maybe something in this place only I will be adding. Okay. So, well, you know about the CSS, na? And you can just do this placings. I want you all to enter some things. And well, let's just head down to this body tag and put here scroll dash y. SCRO. Scroll behavior. Scroll. Is it having something? No. Y. Overflow. Y should be hidden. Okay. So let me just show you what is this thing doing. This thing will remove this place. Did you see? No, not see. Okay, let me just command it. You will see what am I telling about. See, the scroll bar is removed when I uncomment this. See here. See, the comment bar is now removed. So you just going to go up and down by using something like page up and page down. But well, it's not proper, I think. Right? So better is we need one scroll bar first. We can just go like this. Right? So now enough for this file. We will see if we need to add something. Okay. So now let's just see if is set dollar underscore get FOC. If FOC is set, is it set? Is it clicked? Is it selected? Then what you need to follow is, okay, now I want you all to head down to this table we just created. Here you have insert, right? Click on that place and here you will get something like this, right? So just click on SNO, should be null. It will just take up by itself. and just head down to this address. Okay, I just remembered what I need to do. Code for a patient present already in database. Already in database. Fine. So we will be making three different things. Okay. I will be teaching you how to do for this one. Um, well, let's just complete it. No problem. Alright. So address is blah. You all know my favorite address. You all know my favorite contact number also. This should be 2000 and it's false and doctor name is Devansh. Fine. Head down to go and now we will get one PHP code. Just copy it, nothing else, and paste it down there. Okay, for now enter one exclamation there. It is saying that if the button is set, then what you need to follow is $SQL will be equal to this. Fine. Okay, and well, something is left. Okay, super. Now, what we will be entering values. For now, SNO means senior number is kept for auto increment, right? So it will just do it by itself. Name should be, this should be removed. Dot dot dollar patient name. Then what we have else, address, it should be removed. Dot dot dollar address. Remove this. It should be dot dot. What is left? Contact number. Contact number. And what should be this one? I want you all to go ahead. Okay, go ahead of me. This one should be of dot dot. Um, Money taken. Huh? So it's dollar total money. And this one it should be no. Okay. So if this is not is set, okay, and you will get like this. So what are we doing? We are selecting if first doctor name is selected and if FOC is not clicked or if it is not selected, then go like this way. Okay, we need to execute this. So dollar result equals MySQLi underscore query dollar con comma dollar SQL. Fine. Okay. So now if simple dollar result, then I want you all to head down to the signin.php file and copy this JavaScript. PHP, JavaScript, whichever you say. Fine. So paste it here. Remove these two places. Paste it like just see of the indentations, right? So message is patient added successfully in database. Okay. Patient added successfully. You have to take dollar total money from the patient. Okay. Well, now we will see what are we doing. Refresh this, enter, fill all these places. 14, 1200, 3000. It's my favorite number. Blah. And for now, what we are doing only for Dr. M1. We will just copy and paste for this Dr. M1. Alright. So something is missing. Some problem is there. Okay, so it's saying that it's unexpected token. What is it saying? What problem do we have? Remove this, no? Remove until this part. Okay, no problem. Okay, so it's saying super. Now let's just say if we have in our database man new record. Okay, so it's not FOC and it has been checked by me. Okay, and delete. Yes, I want to delete that because I don't want my database to be something filled up too much. Okay, fine. Now what we will be doing, we will be doing the coding for the patient already present in our database. Okay, so instead of writing again and again, what we will be doing is we will be putting something like if mysqli underscore num underscore rows. You all know the syntax of dollar result be greater than 0. So what does it mean? It's already present in our database, right? So let's just remove this, put one here, indent these all. Super. Okay, so if the present is already present in our database, be equal to 0 for now. Okay, so what does it need to do? Okay, so now we need to execute once again $SQL equals select. Okay, copy this, Control C, paste it here, select age, comma. Okay, we have not kept for age, right? So just forgot. Sorry, friends. I thought that something is missing down there. That's why. No problem. What we will be doing? We will be adding after name. Okay. After name, go age. Fine. Nothing more. And well, what we need is after name we have age. Okay. So head put one comma there. Put two inverted comma like this. Put age. Okay. And this is name. Put one comma here. Put one inverted, two inverted, and dollar age, right? We have age now. This is our variable. Fine. So let's see if we have age 0. It's not. Okay, no problem. No problem. Not an issue. So if it is equal to 0, then select age, comma, address, and contact number from patients where name is this. Okay. And now once again, dollar result will be equal to mysqli underscore num underscore rows. Sorry, mysqli underscore query dollar con comma dollar sql. Fine. I don't know what happened. Save this. If mysqli underscore num underscore rows of dollar result be equal to 0, and then you go ahead and do like this. Well, let's just see if we have correct bracket now, because this brackets na harass us a lot. If you have not kept the bracket at the correct place, then it will throw up an error once again, again and again, again and again, again and again. Okay, so well, for now we have done this thing perfectly fine. Refresh this thing. Okay, it's saying some errors we have. It's hiding them. Let's just see, remove, check all this, refresh. So now it's saying 8 errors. Okay, so let's see what are the errors. We have Devansh 14, 1200, and we have 2400. It's 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. We have blah. We have this. Okay, change this to 15 for now. Okay, and change this to 1 and add one blah once again. Okay, this is because the patient is not this kind the patient for this thing is already present in our database, right? That's why we need to make this thing a unique one so that it gets inserted once again. Fine. So let's add it to record. Now what we have problem. Wait a minute. Let's just put one else statement here. Else echo error dot mysqli underscore error, and it takes one, you all know, dollar $. Let's just refresh. Okay, what is the problem? What's the problem? Copy this, and where is the other one? This is the other one. Paste it here. Head down to home. Alright, for this one also, just paste it here. Where is it? Okay. Alright, paste it here. Keep checking for the indentation. Alright. Okay. Fine. Refresh, and it's echoing only error. So we have done something mistake here. F4C, doctor name is 1. So we are done some mistake. We have done some mistake. So well, why am I not even redirected back? Okay, so it has not even inserted. No problem. Well, we will clarify what's the issue here. Insert into this, blah 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 blah. Sorry, this one, and values to be given like this. No, this way. Refresh. What are we facing? Login. Okay. Devanch 15, 1200, 2400. So it's echoing some error, but we don't know what is it. Wow. So it's saying some errors are here. I don't know what are the errors. Wait a minute. Wow. Keep it up here. Keep it up. Alright, so there is some issue here. I don't know what's the issue. Let me just delete all these places. Just check for if we have proper brackets. If else, we have this. Is it being highlighted? Yes, it is being highlighted. Okay. It means this thing is not being executed. Okay. De-indent this. Save this. Refresh. Okay, still we have errors. It is saying some unexpected else on line number 56. On line number 56, else is not required. Yes, it is not required. Save this. Refresh. Still echoing error. There is some issue here. Some issue is already there. And wait a minute. That's why it's not also entering here, right? Wait. Okay, well, what we will do is we will go in the reverse order. Fine. Cut this from here and paste it down there. Paste it down there. Indent this. De-indent this. So well, let's just see. Okay, it's still showing some error. We have some error still. Um, just cut it here. Cut it from there. Paste it there. And de-indent these ones. Alright. Save and refresh. Add to record. Okay, it's not still doing the things. What's happening? Okay, so what now we will do is we are what are we selecting? Age, address, and contact number, right? So what we will do, we will be using this way: HTML entities mysqli underscore real underscore escape underscore string and till the end put two brackets once again. Okay, now copy until this part, copy this way. And what else we have? Address and contact number, right? So just paste it here, paste it, and two brackets still there. Okay, fine. Well, let's just see if we can do now. Okay, so it takes exactly two parameters and we have, and it's really fine, no problem. What we will do is we will be adding $con here. But if we do like this now, then this will again show up an error. Let me just show you. Okay, so it's taking undefined variable, as I just told that we have one error, right? So just take this from here, cut it, and paste it down there. Because what is this thing doing? This thing is taking $con from this file, but we have given this first, given this afterwards to be taken out from that place, and we have taken $con before. That's the problem. No problem, happens. Refresh, and it's still showing some error. Alright, no problem. Then it's something else. It's not this. Alright, so let's just move. Uh, okay, it's even not saying what's the error. And it's saying that, wow, there is an error. Okay, wait a minute, let me just head down to my Google Chrome browser. I will see what's the problem then. Let's see if we have it. No problem, happens. It always happens. Localhost slash PHP. Okay, not PHP. Hospital project. Fine. So it's Devansh. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Logged in. Save. Okay, don't worry. Sit down to write all the things. 15. Money paid is 1200. It's 2400. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 9. And it's blah blah. And first is set and it's showing some error. We will see what's the error. And unknown URL scheme. Okay, wait a minute. What's the error here? And it's this thing is also showing some error. Alright. What's the problem? finally we were able to crack this error, right? Okay, so let's see if it is added. Yeah, okay, no problem. If it, no name is there, it might be somewhat like Jadoo. Alright, so finally, we were just doing some error. We were doing some mistake here. No problem, it happens. No problem. Okay, so well, let's just head. I need for those codes once. Wait a minute. Okay, leave it. Leave it. Okay, so we will do, and if something is left now, just tell me in the comments. I will help you out. Okay, at that time. So if the let's just make one again. If dollar result, and then this thing will continue by itself till here. Indent, put one bracket here. Else echo the same thing. Error dot my sqli underscore error dollar con. Fine. Okay. So if this thing is set, okay, we will be removing all this else statements because it makes our things look more dirtier. Right. Remove this one once again. Remove this one and this one also. Fine. Okay. 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 So this is just one thing, that if the new patient is here, right? And if it is not is set $FOC, and till this we have done, and well, we need copy from this places, right? Before this is set is not taken into consideration. Fine, paste it here once again, indent these things properly. All right, and de-indent these things. Okay, now we will do for doctor name too, right? And you have ABC, right? ABC. Fine. And so we have done this. If it is not is set for FOC. Fine. Now I want you all to complete if free of charge is consideration, right? If it is set, if it is selected. Fine. I just want you all to complete until that place. Just skip one else if here. Fine. Okay. I want you all to complete till this place. Fine. Okay. So, well, we have completed till now, from now. Okay. Okay, so now we have done for if is equal to 0. Now, what if the person or the patient is already present in our database? Right. So, just what you need to do, head down to this edit. Okay, head down to this place and keep here Devansh S and change this to 14, and this is all. Head down to go, and this is where the updates is taken. Copy this syntax and paste it down here in the comments. Okay, make one comment and do like this. So now what we will do, we will copy until this means before this dollar result, copy this and paste it once again. Okay, fine. Be greater than 0. And now if it's not, it's said this. Okay, so it will be selecting this, blah 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 blah. Okay, now just copy this what we have just taken from PHP MyAdmin. Cut this better so that more less lines you have in your code. That's always nice practice. Okay, and paste it here where set name equals. Okay, name will never be changed, right? But better we keep it like this. Dollar patient name and age would be dot dot. Okay, wait a minute. Dollar age. We have age as a variable, right? We have dollar age. Fine. Now save this. Okay. So patient record record updated successfully in database, you have to take this thing. So find what we have till now. Okay, so refresh this thing. What we will do is I will be editing this play parts. Okay, so and okay, fine. So I will be doing these things. Okay, we forgot one thing. Where patient's dot name is, put one this single inverted comma, dollar patient name. Okay, put one semicolon out there. We will see if these two things doesn't work now, then we will remove this. And there are only two ways for now. Okay, hit enter. Devansh 14 1200 3600 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0 blah, and we have done. Okay, we have blah na? Okay, we have blah, and money taken is 2000, no problem. Okay, so add to the record. Patient added successfully in database. You have to take this much from the patient, no problem. We will be adding once again Devansh 14, money paid is address 3600 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just copy this address because we are just running on trial runs. All right, add to record. And MySQL on line number 5. Head down to line number 5. What's the problem? Okay, why did I remove this $con here? $con, comma. Sorry, happens with me. So once again we are getting the error. Alright. So it has entered one without any name. Wow. And remove this for now. Super. Is it updating? No, it's not. Okay, what we have done the error here is just change this to 15 once, and this thing will be changed to 0 and add it to the record. Let's see. Okay, it's not done still. Let's see. Okay, so what is it not done? We have not done only one thing. We need to remove the quotes which we just added, right? Just remove the quotes, and 99% it should work now. Okay, 99% it should work. Let's just see if we have any errors. No, we don't have any errors. No problem. Let's just see. Remove this two quotes. Save. Refresh. Alright. No problem. Okay. So it's not updated still. Um, Update this patient's dot name is patient name. I think that we are missing something. I'm perfectly sure we are missing something. Let's see what are we missing. So if it is greater than 0, FOC is not set, and if doctor name 1 is selected, then select these things, and MySQLi query, MySQLi number of rows equals 0. Okay, that's where we are wrong. Okay, that is the place where we were wrong. Superb, guys. Got it? I think it should work now. No, not still. And age is still 15. No problem. Alright, let's see what else we can do. Okay, we will be removing this part. So what's this? It till this. This is this. Okay, hit here else if. Okay. and refresh. It's still coming blank, no problem. Keep one else statement here also below else. Okay, refresh, not still. Well, where is the problem? If it's greater than 0, then go like this. If we have executed it perfectly fine, I think we will be keeping something like this. Put one tab there, paste it down there, echo properly, indent properly, error, unknown column Devansh in where cross, okay, where this is this, okay, so it's saying that this is not the, fine, no problem. Where patient's dot name, set patient name is this way. Okay, no problem. Well, let's just see where is it saying unknown column Devansh is the where clause. Wait a minute, let me just refresh and keep here Devansh S, add to record. Okay, now it is adding to the database. Okay, it has been added to the database. Keep here Devansh, keep here 15, keep here 1200, keep here 3600 and blah. First is selected always, and it's still saying in which line we are missing itself. Wait a minute, huh? Where patient's dot name is dollar patient name. Blah blah blah. Just I think that we need to remove this part only. Let's see if this thing works or not. Okay, so it's going somewhere else. It's going somewhere else, right? So where name is this? Alright, so let's just try it out once again. Select this path. Okay, keep two things, keep two dots at the one and the other end. Select this thing once again. Alright, select this thing, keep two dots once again. Fine. Now let's refresh. Still, it's going like that. Where patient's dot name is this. Finally, we are updating, and let's see. Superb, we have got the things which we need. Fine. Okay. Super fine. Okay, so now you just go for this money and all things. Money, contact number, so blah 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 blah. You can just go ahead, right? So for now we have done this place. We have also done for the if it is already present or not present. If it is already, we have done for the doctor name too also, right? So let me just remove all these extra enters. I don't like if it is like this. Okay, so copy this for the doctor name too. Well, doctor name too. Well, okay, so till then you can just go ahead, edit all those things which we are left with. Okay, I want you all to copy this. So till the next video, and the final one, that is some touchings we are left so that these things look nice, right? We will be adding one icon here. It's this is Zamp, as I don't think that it looks attractive, right? So for now, I'm just ending this video, okay? And the next video, we will be just designing all those things, like we are waiting it for more better ones, and right. And if you have any issues, just comment down in the below. All right. So guys, till then, take care. Thank you. Goodbye. See you.